cool, huh? I'm at one of my best friend's house, and just kind of spur of the moment, I said, hey, why don't we make pizza tonight? Because I knew he had this Ooni gas grill oven, and we've used it once before, but I didn't really have kind of the hands-on experience that I'm getting tonight here, and I thought I'd just make a little video and bring you guys along for the ride. This company makes several different kinds. Not the cheapest thing in the world. It makes a really good pizza. You know, I mean, I like to hack together stuff out of bricks or barrels or whatever. You know, I have some more ideas for the big 55-gallon drum oven, by the way. But this thing, it's there. I mean, we literally pulled it out, plugged it in, fired it up, and we've already made one pizza, and it was delicious. So we're gonna make a couple more pizzas here, and yeah, come along for the ride.
Okay, we're about right. 700.
So this has a stone, which is really hot, but that slides out for cleaning. This is propane fired. There's a gas valve in the back. We've got it set to max right now. And I don't know where it is, but the little infrared laser temperature thing is really cool. Of course, there'll be links for all this in the top comment and in the video description as well. I also like, it's fairly lightweight. You know, I mean, the ovens that I make, they're heavy, and then you got to take them apart. This thing, the legs fold up really nicely. The tank you just put away, and it's nice. This was like 3 minutes maybe. Yeah. It's still kind of hot, so. Oh, it's really good. This is pizza number 2. We don't really care that it's not a perfect circle or it's not a perfect pizza, because done is better than perfect in Eric's Pizza World. I got the dough from the food co-op here in Brooklyn, and this is so like fermented and risen and ready to go that it burst out of the bag there. Can you see that? That's kind of cool. And then we got all sorts of different toppings here. This is Marcella Hazan's tomato sauce, very famous, 3 or 4 ingredients ready to go. Have you used this? I'm kind of curious. We haven't used this yet, but we will. Then I got some pesto, some more mozzarella, and non-alcohol beer. This is really good, by the way. Professional chef here, clearly.
Clearly not.
Chunk mozzarella. The cornmeal on the bottom here helps it slide off, but also gives the bottom of the crust a nice flavor. A couple things I've learned today already. Don't shove the pizza all the way to the back of the oven because it's really hot back there. And if you have a tool like this, it's very handy because halfway through the cooking, you're going to want to turn the pizza, and having that full big pizza peel there, if you've got the big wooden pizza peel, you could pull the pizza out and spin it. I mean, yeah, this is from the Ooni people. We could probably make one. Upcoming video, I'm sure. But yeah. It's just a cool thing to have in your backyard. Just fire it up. I mean, it took us like 3 minutes. We pulled it out of the shelf, we tied it into here, and then we just turned it on. This is what happens when you get too close to the back of the oven, but that's flavor. Beautiful. Isn't that a beautiful thing? So yeah, I just want to take you along for the ride. It's not like a product review. It's like, hey, let's try this and see what happens, which is what Garden Fork's all about. So we're gonna eat pizza, and maybe right here, YouTube is saying another video that you should watch of mine, or you can sign up for my email newsletter. Maybe that's there. I don't know what YouTube does anymore. I've stopped trying to think about it. So anyway, enjoy your pizza. I'll see you. I'm not supposed to say goodbye or wave goodbye either, and YouTube hates that. So I'll just wave pizza at you.